Once your new dishwasher's hot water supply is connected, the next step is to prepare and install the drain hose. There are two common ways this connection is made. First, if your space is equipped for it, an air gap effectively eliminates the risk of a backflow and is required in certain local plumbing codes. The air gap surfaces above the counter, so additional installation is needed. Connect the hose directly to the air gap. Keep the drain hose flush against the wall behind to help avoid obstructing the line. The second method is to use a high loop. Snake the hose and secure it at least 10 inches above the drain connection to the sink drain or garbage disposal inlet. This helps prevent backflows, which can cause errors during operation. As a note, a high loop should not be installed with an air gap, as it can slow or restrict water flow. In either configuration, avoid using any drain hose extensions. Finally, if you have a garbage disposal, don't forget to remove the drain plug before operating the dishwasher. Failure to remove the plug will cause a draining error, as will using a high loop with an air gap or excessively looping or extending the drain hose. Ensure your drain hose is secured tightly onto the sink drain or disposal using a hose clamp. Also, be sure that the hose is not kinked as it passes through the cabinet.